prosperity and vitality. They also have very good memory. So on this day, knowing that you are the woman that I choose to live the rest of my life with, a woman that has seen past the good and the bad and has always found ways to make me a better man. You've always been the positivity and the fortune that I was blessed to have. And I hope that on this day, you'll do me the honor of saying yes to be my bride and to be my wife. So
Yes.
Staci Cherie Eldridge, will you marry me?
Yes.